Giraffe does not consistently offer PayPal as a standard withdrawal option in its reward catalog, and most users only see gift cards depending on their region and current reward availability. By the end, you'll know whether PayPal is available on Giraffe, why some users think it exists, and what you can actually do instead if you want cash-style payouts. Start with the core fact. Giraffe rewards are primarily built around gift cards, rather than direct PayPal cash transfers. Now, explain what that means. Instead of sending money to PayPal, the app usually lets you redeem coins for digital gift cards from selected partners. Now explain the confusion. Some users expect PayPal because other reward apps offer it, but Giraffe does not consistently list it as a withdrawal option. Now explain where the confusion comes from. Reward availability changes depending on region, updates, and what the app currently has in its reward store. Now explain what users actually see. Most users will only see options like digital gift cards inside the redemption section of the app. Now explain why PayPal is unlikely. PayPal requires direct cash settlement systems, and Giraffe's structure is designed around partner-based reward redemptions instead. 1v Redempts. Now explain what to do if you want cash. If your goal is PayPal-style cash, you need to convert gift cards after redemption instead of expecting direct PayPal withdrawal. Now explain a practical workaround. Some users redeem Amazon or other flexible gift cards, and then use external platforms to convert value indirectly. Now explain tracking behavior. Your ability to redeem anything depends on properly tracked gameplay sessions inside Giraffe. Now, explain a common issue. If sessions are not launched through the app, coin progress may not register correctly, which delays all redemption options. Now, explain optimization. Keeping consistent, uninterrupted gameplay sessions helps ensure your balance reaches redeemable levels faster. Now explain expectation management. Giraffe is better understood as a gift card reward app, not a direct PayPal earning platform. Now summarize the core idea. Giraffe does not reliably offer PayPal withdrawals, and most rewards are structured as gift cards instead. Availability can change depending on region and app updates, but gift cards are the standard option. And any cash-like value comes from converting those rewards outside the app, not direct PayPal payouts. One practical next step. Open your Giraffe Reward tab and check your available redemption options instead of relying on assumptions about PayPal. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more app breakdowns that show what's actually available instead of what people expect.